Right now, we're gonna wake up Mariano because he's sleeping.
Yeah, we're gonna hit him or something.
Do whatever it takes.
Do whatever it takes. Hopefully he doesn't get mad.
He's gotta learn his lesson.
Gotta learn your lesson, bitch.
Eso no se hace en mi casa. Estás de madre.
You don't do that, dog. You just don't go.
Run off the bed, run off the bed.
You don't go to the sleep. Oh shit. Don't go to that, dog.
Oh! You're gonna take a Red Bull.
I'm gonna take a Red Bull. Look what you hitting me for now. Hey, he's still sleeping.
Mariano, nigga.
Yeah, Mariano, dog.
Oh, we're kind of sell out early, dog.
Yeah, Mariano, dog. I couldn't sell out. Yo, Mariano, dog. What kind of sell out are you, dog?
Hello, guys. Sorry, dog.
You don't think we're selling? Motherfuckers. That's right. We had it all on video.
So, guys.
That's mission accomplished. Look at the camera. Mission accomplished. Now we're gonna hit him.
He'll never do this again.
We're gonna hit him again. So,
Wait for it.
oh yeah, we'll wait for it. This time from another angle.
Be patient. I'm sorry. You should make a game plan?
You don't have
You
nothing.
can't. Chubby, huh?
You don't have anything. Close the door as soon as he walks through the door. Ow! You hit me though.
What is that?
I know the ball.
What are you stopping for?
Yeah, I'm gonna jump outside that camera. I'm gonna land on your ass.
Go, go. Make sure it doesn't move.
Watch out, I'm gonna jump on you. What hurt? That's it. Press the not record button.
Bye, guys.
We're looking at best soccer. Simon,
Yes.
so what are we gonna give him?
We give him a Red Bull. See if that changes his name.
Nah, he liked Red Bull. As soon as he said Red Bull, he got up. Drink some. That's right, bitch. Hopefully his kicks in anytime soon.
Watch
So
his
you're not
eyes, watch
sleeping.
his eyes. Look at the camera.
Damn, man, you're looking like Maradona. Okay, this should kick in soon. For now.